boy. Let's go. Let's go, guys. To the Vancouver. There we are. Mga buddy, Vancouver. Putik din ko eh. Pasok ulit. Vancouver.
What's up, guys?
What up, G?
May. Day 1 in Vancouver. Yeah, so we decided ngayon nag-antay kami na Uber pabalik sa airport kasi uwi na kami. Then, we decided na mag-ano na lang.
Gogi, bakit yung sasakyan natin, boy?
Paano tayo kakasya dyan? We decided na mag-rent na lang ng car. Kasi para makapunta kami sa gusto talaga namin.
Tundra. Hindi na yung vlog eh. Pero yun, guys.
So, ayun, nantay na nga namin yung Uber pabalik ng airport. And then, balikan namin kayo.
First time.
Wait daw, gumagano na siya. Ayun na yung Uber namin. Let's go! Paparabo!
Ang lupit mo ati kayo. Sakang malupit na nila lang. So nice.
$30 Does it have to be like the same cards?
Or it has to be in permanent billing.
Oh yeah.
It's like it's on the
First time.
Yeah. Mention no smoking inside the car. And the signature responsible for parking tickets, traffic fines, street cleaning gas. And the signature accepting the terms and conditions.
Okay.
Thank you. No problem. Please take a seat. My colleague will get it after you. Okay?
Thank you very much. Rate it. Oh, I'm tired. Wait. Oh, bruh.
Yeah.
I thought it's Impala, Chevrolet. Is it not?
Malibu.
We go by the
Availability?
size of the car as per the
Oh,
availability.
well, that shit is fine, bro. It's be better, bro.
This is very
Yeah, bro.
Okay, we'll do the inspection.
Okay.
And this is hybrid, so it's good on gas as well.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Like those small ones, they are fine.
Yeah.
I'll show you something on the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You already know everything, right?
Yeah,
like
yeah.
scratches and
Most of
stuff.
most
Yeah.
of it, So I got this one.
Yeah.
And no chips, no cracks on the windshield.
Mm-hmm.
Scratch on the bumper.
Yep, there it is. There you go.
Which part of the scratches? The front and the side?
Yeah.
Yeah, na-video ko naman.
And yeah, you can also take
I got it.
pictures.
Yeah, di na-video ko naman. Okay na? There you go. Gagi, ganda ng kotse natin, boy. Oh, gagi. Camry. Oh.
Ayun yung jeep po.
Okay. Thank you very much, bro. Oh, let's go. It's freaking cold, man. Hi, Angas, driver.
Let's go!
Tickets first. There's no. Gagi, pwede, boy. Labas mo na dun.
Secondary driver ka doon. Another $40 yun.
Sa atin ata $18 ba yun?
Pakihawak po.
Sa atin ata $18 ba? Ate? Dat nga nagpa-ano ka na, pero okay lang yan.
Ano ba yun? May fee yun. Pagpadagdag. $8 per day. Another $40.
Okay na yan. Meron, wala gagi. Pag meron, pwede naman na lang bayaran. Sabihin mo
Hindi,
napagod ka.
Ano lang?
Alam mo ba?
Hindi. Saan tayo pupunta?
I-ano mo muna yung seat mo.
Saan ko siya yan?
I-ano mo muna yung seat mo.
Okay naman.
everything. Ito na ate kayo. Nakakonect na ata.
Alin mo sa phone mo?
Wala eh, di ka maano.
Yung pindutan, yung mga switch, ay yung mga...
Nagdodrive siya sa Vancouver! Angas! Ano?
May 60 lang pala.
By doing 70.
May upper carplay.
I don't think so.
Gaga, di ko alam saan pupunta.
Left ka dito.
Left?
Ako na yun, diretso mo na lang yun.
Wala na.
Tapos hanap ko na lang ng spot na pwedeng paghintuan. Ayaw ate Kai?
Ano?
Nakakonect na eh.
Ano?
Menu. Kasi menu. Gagi na.
Mag-drive ng ano ba?
Camry. Gagi Camry pa. Mas maganda to sa Impala boy. Sira ulo.
Hybrid.
Oo, hybrid pa ka mo. Ito yung inaano ko sabi sa'yo kanina, di ba? Kung may Honda tayong makuha. Itong nahuga ay Toyota pala. Pero okay na yan. Honda and Toyota. Same shit.
First name. Next set. Pinaka-first name. Next set ng stoplight.
Left.
Menu na lang. Audio na lang eh.
Oo, dyan lang ata ate kayo. Vancouver! Oh my God!
Ito na yung official day 1 namin kasi may sasakyan na kami! Let's go!
Everywhere na guys, kung kahit saan namin gusto pa kami pumunta.
Let's go! So we're on the way to Granville Public Market and then we'll see kung anong meron doon. We'll get back to you guys. Bye!
The food. The resto.
Wow!
Resto!
Itong kami lahat yun.
Wala pa kaming kain, I swear. Like
Time
2:30 na dito sa Vancouver and then mga 4:30 na, no? 4:30 na sa Winnipeg, wala pa kaming kain. Oh my God. But yeah, we're on the way there and we'll get back to you. Tell me, baby, tell me, baby, what you gotta do? Strawberry shining so bright, strawberry champagne on me. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Oh, cool. Proper meal muna tayo bago tayo mag-ganito. Proper meal na lang muna tayo bago tayo mag-ganito. Hello po! Dito kami sa labas ng Granville Public Market. Ano yung view?
Yes, bango ng pagkain boy. Tara na, kain na tayo.
Ano, parang may ano kayo namin. Ako nakikipicture.
Tara! Grabe guys, wala. Parang na ano kami, nadidistract kami sa lahat ng view.
Wala, yaksan nyo sa akin.
Hindi pa kami kumakain hanggang ngayon. Gusto ko to.
O, tag-iisang.
Anong,
Doon na kasi tayo.
asan ba?
Ayun,
Wait lang, ano pa bang meron diyan? Meron doon? Hey guys, first meal of the day, first meal in Vancouver. Let's go. Grabe guys, gutom na kami.
6, almost 6. See?
6? Oh my god. Look at the view guys. Hindi na uubos yung ano.
Ang botsog mo!
Ang botsog ni.
Aliit mo, ang botsog mo! Imagine yung kasama mo yung sasaya, ang botsog mo! Ang botsogana, may!
We're out and about.
After it settles on.
Look how beautiful that is. Dito na kami sa Metropolis.
Alabang, yes
Alabang,
sir.
let's go.
Metropolis Alabang.
Ayun. Theater entrance. Gagala na lang kami dito sa Metropolis. And then, mag-grocery for a little bit. And then, uuwi. And then...
Where are we, Tangi? Grocery of Vancouver. Where are we, Tangi? Oh my God, brother. Para sa ano kami, par? Yan mo, sabi ko kay mama yan, $28 lang o 4 limits. Yung laging inaantay niya sa ano eh, 204. Bro, pag meron na sa 204, sabi niya sa akin, Brian, tara na. Samahan mo ako. Yun, meron dito mas sa Vancouver nga lang. Punta ka dito. Same shit pa rin naman, mas ano lang, extra large yung ano nila dito. Canadian. Yung tipong super, naging super duper. What are you looking for, guys? Water? Par. What are you guys looking? Oh, we need a rice. Oh, see? See, no? They have Filipino aisle. Ooh, there you go. Oh, we should have just buy it at $28.
No, I think we should go here.
That's English, bro. Damn. Hi.